In this video, I will show you how to delete all the messages in Messenger. So to do that and delete it in bulk, you must do it from PC or laptop. And simply open up your PC, then open up your Chrome. From here, click on this three dotted lines menu bar in the top right corner. Here, click on Extensions, then click on Visit Web Store. In the search bar, search for Delete All Messenger Messages. From here, simply click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. After that, this extension will be added. Then simply your messenger.com will open, or you can simply open messenger.com in a new tab. Then simply click on this extension icon in the top right corner. Here click on Delete All Messenger Messages. After that, if you sign in, here you can simply find Delete option. Click on Start Deleting, and then all of your messenger messages will be deleted. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.